Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking all about these braids. So this hairstyle is definitely inspired by Pop Smoke, but this is not like a recreation of his hairstyle just because our styles are a little bit different. So I did try to add like my own little twist to it. Ultimately, this hairstyle is inspired by Pop Smoke. This is my first time attempting a hairstyle like this. I think it turned out really well. But this was a struggle and I will get into that later on in the video. I do want to disclaim that this video is sponsored by Formulate. I'll get into that in a minute, but before that, I want you guys to like this video because y'all, like I said, this is a struggle. My hands are sore, neck sore, back hurts, arm hurts, everything hurts from doing these braids, okay? I was really nervous in trying this hairstyle just because this is a little bit outside of my comfort zone, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll give you guys a 360 of how it looks. But yeah, I'm not gonna make this intro really long. This video is a voiceover for the most part, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and get straight into the video.
Rinsing my hair off before doing anything, I'm going to be using my shampoo and conditioner from Formulate. Essentially, Formulate curates a custom-made shampoo and conditioner that caters to your personal hair needs. You speak with the chemist who will guide you with your formula, and after the products have been created, they will ship straight to you. What's unique about this is there is an app where you can track your formula, review ingredients, change your formula for future shipments, and on top of that, I am hosting a giveaway with the brand. Anyone who enters the giveaway is redeemed $5 off their potential order, and 1 week from today, a winner will be selected and emailed directly to set up their custom formula for free.
To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is click the link in the description box.
So of the two products, the shampoo is definitely my favorite. Despite it having no harsh sulfates, it suds up more than any other shampoo I've ever used, and it cleanses so well. My hair doesn't ever feel stripped of anything after I use it. The conditioner has a pretty good slip. I loved it even though I can tell you I've already used over half the bottle. Definitely rated about an 8 out of 10 based off of my experience. My hair absorbs it and it feels really soft. And y'all, I'm just obsessed with my custom formula. Like, even down to the scent. As you guys saw, I have mine in Berry Bloom, FYI. But there are so many more scents and formulas to choose from. So check it out if you're interested. So now that my hair has been cleansed, I'm going to be using this Oral Therapy 24K leave-in. It does have dimethicone in it, which will keep my hair soft and shiny and free of tangles for the blowout and braiding process. Aside from that, I wouldn't recommend this for obvious reasons. It does smell really good though. Getting into the part, so this is sped up, but I'm sure you guys can explicitly see what's going on. Like I mentioned in a previous video, I'm not the best at cornrows, so to compensate for that, I like to make sure my parts are crisp and clean, so I try to be as precise as possible. Then I'm following up with some edge control to smooth the roots out and flatten the hair. I'm going to use the teeth from the rat tail comb to comb the edge control into my hair to help flatten it. This makes the style look more put together. After the parts are done, I will start the sectioning for the braids and simply repeat the same process I just explained. And then I'll start the braids. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the very first braid, it took me like 4 attempts. Mainly just because of the angle that I was braiding at. My hands adjusted after so many fails, and as I got midway through the braid, I added some more edge control just to like tame little flyaways and try to tuck the shorter pieces of hair from my undercut as neatly as I could. I simply did this by braiding those pieces of hair as tightly as possible so that they wouldn't stick through at the end. So onto the back of my hair is where things got a little tricky. And honestly, in retrospect, I'm looking at this footage a few days afterwards, and I will tell you, a few braids in the back could have definitely been braided a bit tighter, though since I'm doing this on my own head, my hands are sore, and the angles, y'all can cut me some slack. If you're doing a style like this, even if it's on your own head, do not be afraid of literally restarting like a whole braid from the beginning just to ensure that it looks as good as you can make it. And when I finished the back, I simply took a scrunchie to tie the back up. I couldn't find many pictures of the back of Pop Smoke's head, but judging by the few I saw from the side or like a 3/4 view, I'm assuming he kept the back of his hair tied up as well.
So that is gonna be it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think of the hairstyle. Let me know if you're feeling it or not. I will say, even though this is outside of my comfort zone, I am very proud and happy with the results. This was a very challenging hairstyle, you guys. And not necessarily because of the hairstyle itself, but because I did it on my own head. But yeah, nevertheless, I just wanna thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Formulate for sponsoring this video. Do not forget to join the giveaway. And yeah, do not forget to leave a like and a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video, which you should be clicking on right about now.